si musango gwaffe abantu bamwe batemulwa, si ffe twabatemula, Museveni yabatemula. Baana bange wewaawo bakadde bammwe, taata wammwe, bamama wammwe bamuta ng'alwanirira obulamu bwange n'eddembe lyange. Nange bwe nsibiddwa nga nwanirira ery'abalala bonna. Naye baana bange sinze nataba kitammwe, Museveni yatta kitammwe. Museveni yalagira abasajja be ne bagenda ne batemula abantu bano. Bano bonna be mulaba Museveni yabatta. Ne batuwa amannya, ne batubuulira bano Amini yabatta, bano Bobi yabatta, ne tubamanyi. Ne bano twabalabako. Era abasinga tumanyi bwe babattira. Tumanyi n'aba DPC abaali ba DPC ki, ba RDC ki abaali bakomandinga. N'abamu bamanyiddwa ababakuba amasasi. Naye njagala okubalayirira nti olunaku lumu obwenkanya bujja kusaabirwa. Ladies and gentlemen, today, yet again, we're meeting to commemorate our comrades. It's been 4 years. On this very day, 4 years ago, a dark cloud covered our nation. More than 150 innocent, unarmed citizens were mowed down, were massacred in cold blood. These people were, as you've noticed, fathers, sons, mothers, daughters, friends, comrades of various people that were killed. These people were killed just for coming out and exercising their constitutional right to protest against injustice. We lost friends and comrades, but these families here lost loved ones. They lost breadwinners. They lost an entire support system. Today we can only try to stand in the gap and mitigate. We can only try to represent, but we cannot fill that gap. But we know one day their families and the nation will acknowledge that their lives were not lost in vain. All this pain, all these tears, year in, year out, were caused by just the greed of one man that is determined to keep power at all costs. He does not care what the nation has to lose. But again, we are also here to tell General Museveni that we shall not stop, that we are not going to give up, that we are going to fight on until the cause for which these people died is realized. We are never, ever, ever going to give up. We know that all dictators, when they lose legitimacy, they turn to violence. You've seen that with Omar al-Bashir of Sudan. You've seen that with Mugabe in Zimbabwe. But there's only one common thing about all these dictators, that in the end, they fall. In the end, they all fall. And we know that the end of Museveni is going to be very, very soon. You've seen the prayers. Katonda tenebase. Katonda jali. Elijja kumusasula mu currency nyinyi yaina okumusasula. This massacre was intended to instill fear in the hearts of people abantu batye, so that they never at any one time rise up against a dictatorship. Well, it worked for a while, but I can tell you that we refuse to live under fear. He might have thought that it's going to derail us for a while, but it gave us even more reason to fight on, because there's nothing anymore for us to lose. We shall fight on, and we shall win, and we shall go ahead to honor the promises and the desires of these our comrades.